Hey, what's up? This is PTC Channel. So ngayon is may papakita ko sa inyong biniling order, guys. Ito siya. Yo, what's up? This is PTC Channel. So nagbabalik ulit tayo sa ating videos. Is una-una sa lahat, huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-like and subscribe my videos. And please subscribe, guys. Don't forget the notification or else the bell button. So, ngayon, syempre may binili tayo na Hot Wheels. Syempre, Hot Wheels ulit, guys. Ayan, tinod guys. Sa online, first time ko kasing bumili everyone ng Hot Wheels sa online. So, ngayon, bibili tuloy. I-wrap natin, bubuksan natin to. So, let's go. So, buksan natin siya. Kahit wala nang gunting, guys. Kaya naman. Okay. So, guys, alam nyo na, ay, hindi pala. Hindi ko pa na siya surprise, guys. Pero, bubuksan natin siya. Okay. Yan. Ang ganda ng pagka-packaging, guys, oh. Ayan. Actually, isang car lang to, guys. So, makikita nyo rin. Oh, may... Oh. Ayun, guys. So, ito binili ko. Kita nyo? Oh! Alright. So, guys, I have Hot Wheels Batman, the Brave and the Bold Batmobile. So, ayan, guys. Ito, guys, I'm so happy to have this. Nakakuha ulit tayo ng Batmobile at nakabili. Syempre, ang saya ko, guys. Napakaganda nito, guys. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it so much, guys. So, ayan. Batman, the Brave and the Bold. Ayan, guys, oh. Yung logo ng Batman and the Brave and the Bold. Ang ganda ni, guys, oh. Yung car. Actually, guys, nasa 7 na, guys, yung aking Hindi pala, guys. Marami na talaga akong Batmobile collection Hot Wheels. Ayan, guys, napakadami, oh. I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it so much. Guys, ayan, look at the mess. Throw it up. Ayan. Ang ganda, guys. Ayan. Sa likod. Ayan. Siyempre, makita nyo. Batman, the Brave and the Bold. Ayan yung logo ni Batman, DC, Warner Bros. Ayan. Spray made from Mattel. Empowering generations through play. Nasa Batman, 4 out of 5 siya. Tapos yan yung logo ni Batman. Tapos yan yung picture ng car na nandito. Paka-shiny yan niya, guys, oh. I'm so happy talaga, guys, na nakabili tayo ng ganito. Talaga, promise, guys. Napakasaya ko na nakabili nito. And so happy. Happy ako, guys, dito. Sheesh! Guys. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo. Yung mga Batman Hot Wheels collection ko. Yung mga Mobile collection ko, guys. Ayan, nakikita nyo? Napakaganda. Ayan, guys. Yan yung Batman The Animated Series, Arkham Knight, Batmobile, Batman TV Series, the 1966 kay Adam West, Batman and Robin, Batmobile, and then Batmobile. Siyempre ito yung Batman vs. Superman, Batman The Animated Series, Batman 1966 Batboat. Yan, guys, meron rin ako. Tsaka syempre, ito, yung Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. Yung video games, yan. Guys, finally, I have it on my hand. So, if you like these videos, guys, so leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget the notification. So, bye, guys. 176 subscribers na tayo. See you guys next time. Bye.